So in this video, we're going to be reviewing the reporting tools within Traffic Control. When you preview the Traffic Control page, you will actually see a table of all the routes and their counts from your actual website. So this is a tool that allows you to visually see the routes, the destinations for those routes, how many times they were hit, and the date that those actually occurred. And you'll notice here that a route could potentially have multiple different destinations. So in this example here, I was doing an A/B test where this TC test route was actually going to multiple possible destinations. And we could see based on that how many times those destinations were actually used. Now, you'll also notice at the bottom of this page that we have a URL that you can actually visit, and this will take you to this same exact report online. Now, what you'll notice is inside this URL, there is a report my secret. So that's important because inside the Traffic Control stack, we have a report key set to be my secret, and you can type that to be whatever you want. And the reason we have this is so that you can create kind of like a password so that not anybody that knows how traffic control work can actually access your reports. So this allows you to create a unique key that only you know to be able to access that particular report. Now, since it's all inside RapidWeaver in this case, that report is known so we can actually bring that inside of RapidWeaver. But it's useful to know the URL so that either you can visit it in the web browser or you can actually add that report to an iframe on your website. Let's have a look at that. So here in the demo file, I'm using an offsite stack, and I've put in that URL from the preview that we saw on the previous page. And when I preview this page, you'll see that here I am on my website, and that report is now embedded onto my web page. This is great maybe if you have a total CMS area or some sort of admin area that you would like to put this report inside of. This gives great access so you can actually view those reports, but still keep it private with that secret key. Now, one thing to note is I recommend on your router page, if you're using a traditional theme, do not set the theme on your router page. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to turn off master style and you're going to set a page specific theme. I recommend using my Foundation 6 theme. It is free, but I recommend you use any sort of blank theme that doesn't have any content. This way, when you publish and import this into other pages, the actual page that is imported is just the report, and it doesn't contain the entire theme as well, right? So that's an important tip if you want to make sure that the report is importable and looks nice on other pages. Just make sure that you're using a blank theme. And again, my Foundation 6 theme, even if you don't own the stacks, is free to download. And you can definitely use that for the router page.